Alright, what it is, you guys, man, we've been kicking it, haven't we? We've been motherfucking knocking it down. Alright, so this is what it is, man. There just really ain't a lot to say that the song ain't gonna say itself. Um, you know, I'll tell you this much. I love that girl of mine more than anybody'll ever know. I wouldn't trade her for $1,000,000,000,000. I wouldn't trade her for nothing. I would go through any kind of pain for her. So, Lauren, if you're hearing this and you get a chance to hear this for some reason, I made this song for you. And I thought that, I don't know. I just wanted you to know how much I love you and everything, and I hope you like it. I love you.
You're a bird.
I'm a bird.
Now say you're a bird too.
I'm a bird too.
If you're a bird, I'm a bird.
.413 Mafia. This is for the Queen, Lauren J. Davis. I love you so much. Never have I ever met anyone in my life that does me quite like you. Never have I ever met anybody that grabs me round my heart like you do. Never have I met someone who's got such a strong hold on me. But I am glad. Baby, if you are a bird, then I'm a bird too. Let's just fly away from all these people that are just acting like fools. If you're a bird, I am a bird too. Let's fly away, fly away, fly away. Baby, if you are a bird, then I'm a bird too. Let's fly away, fly away. I think about it every day at the moment that I have. I think about how I wish that I could just hold us in eternity forever. But that wouldn't be the best thing, would it? That's what you would tell me. I love you though. I love you every bit of every morsel, every little particle. You think sometimes you look too fat, or that your jeans don't fit, or some of that bullshit. You don't even see what I really see. What I see up in those beautiful eyes, what I see in your mind, and everything that everybody wanna talk about. They can never have it, they can never be it, never have us. We are 8 years strong as fuck, and nobody gonna tear us up. But this is what it do. Hey baby, baby, if you're a bird, then I'm a bird too. Let's fly away, let's fly away. If you're a bird, then baby, I am a bird too. I wanna build a nest and be with you. If you're a bird, then I'm a bird. If you're a bird, then I'm a bird. If you're a bird, then I'm a bird. I'm your bird. Hey, I just wanted to let you know, love, before I go, everything. I can't wait to see you again. I miss you already. And I'll look forward to spending days with you since the license is suspended and everything. But I am definitely your bird. And I love you so fucking much. And oh, fuck them, they make fun of me for real damn love right there, man. There'll never be another in my life that makes me feel like you do. That's real talk.